So here where we are going to have breakfast, Mangalore buns ready, and he is going to prepare a puri for us. Beauty from outside the hotel. Look at the beauty from outside the hotel. I'll have puri. Yeah, we have ordered puri. I became really happy when I tasted puri, and this guy is like already had it. Earlier when she got up, and he got up. Sorry, when did I say when she?
No, hey, he.
Temperature is super.
Really?
So it's. I mean, I cannot. It's like a pure oxygen just hitting over this from this forest, and yeah, you don't see that day-to-day life. I mean, this kind of life once in quarter. I mean, once in 3 months. If you spend 3 days here, your entire body is going to get refreshed. We are going to change. We are going to change the room because it's completely messed up, as you can see, and it is stinking because of the clothes, our clothes and the shoes, especially this big massive shoes. And going to opposite room where it's very clean, fresh. So, and also we can monitor our motorcycles, and the view is also really good. Something we can see from the opposite room, we can see auntie's house. so we don't want to see her house now. So at least we can enjoy this view. So we are taking this Scorpion Pirelli tires to the local mechanic. He is very nearby, and get it fixed. But the only problem is the local mechanics doesn't know how to fix the tire for this new motorcycle. So what I will do is I will call up my mechanic there, the Karthik, and he's going to explain what to do. Better I'll do video call, right? Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Yeah, that's the plan. So finally we went to the other mechanic, and they say they don't have this stand here. So these people have this stand, and he's going to take it off and install this tire. So finally this has been taken off. Now we have to replace with the other tire. It's easy, but again it has to be guided. So that's why I have to call mechanic and give him. So now he's able to see which one belongs to what. I have to record this because later it's required. This is what we used to do when we were kids, right? Now I'm taking this tire to a tire shop. It's totally steep here. I don't know how to lose the grip of the tire. It's fun though. So I'm in tire shop now. They're going to change it. Okay, they have nice tools here in a small town. Okay, this is on the route to Kudremukh, and we found this beautiful piece of art done by God. So look at this, so beautiful. I mean, still it's raining and stopping, it's raining and stopping. it's kind of a confusion for us. I mean, we have to cover this up and take this off and vlog. Now I really understand the people who vlog in the rain. They are great. Yeah, anyways, the thing is, I've not brought the action camera waterproof cover also, but you know, you can see that so beautiful, man. Oh my God! Look at a beautiful road on a foggy place. You can see nothing actually behind this mist or fog. There is a big hill, but it is right now which is completely not visible. But all of that, you know, comes together with the motorcycle, with friends and a nice motorcycle tire as well.